take on challenges, provide solutions, create value for the oil and gas industry. These are my primary objectives. I do engineering, procurement, construction, operation and maintenance, well production services. These are the services I offer to support oil and gas companies worldwide. I took my first steps in 1979 on the hot desert sands of Libya. I've worked on the highest mountains at altitudes of 5,000 meters, endured the sub-zero temperatures of the steppes. I've waded through swamps, the humidity of the equatorial jungle, and the arid bushlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Today, you will find me in the remotest corners of the planet, thanks to 10,000 people who all share my passion. My key objective is client satisfaction. I work in close partnership with leading oil companies to achieve their goals. Everyone who entrusts me with a project knows I will see it through to the end. And they also know I'll comply with the most demanding health and safety regulations. My name is Bonatti. I work on some of the most challenging hydrocarbon fields and oil and gas routes in the world. You will find me in Algeria working on strategic projects, in gas fields like Al-Ra, installing the 8 compressors that allow my client to increase production from 16 to over 24 million cubic meters of gas a day. You'll find me at Asirmel, Algeria's main gas hub, where I've designed and erected 4 gas compression trains that increase the system capacity. Now gas production can be raised to 50 billion cubic meters per year. Here in the Algerian desert, I apply my long-standing experience in maintaining the efficiency of my clients' plants, like the one in El Merk, where I executed the triennial shutdown, or MLE, where I carry out maintenance and production enhancement works. Algeria is the cradle of my well production services. With my know-how and equipment, my clients produce over 100,000 barrels of oil and over 6 million cubic meters of gas per day. I am in Wafa, one of the remotest areas of the Libyan desert, where I delivered a compressor station up and running in just 12 months. Then there's Melita, where I provide maintenance services. This is the export route that delivers natural gas to Italy. You'll find me in Egypt, where I provided the electrical and instrumentation works that allowed the Thor gas field to fast-track its production launch. And I'm also working on the West Nile Delta onshore plant that will help contribute to the country's growth. I've been working in Kazakhstan since 1999. First at the Karachaganak field, executing maintenance services. Later constructing the Bolashak plant, the onshore CPF for the Kashagan field development project. Here, in the onshore, swamp and shallow water areas, I also replaced the oil and gas trunk lines 3 months ahead of schedule, allowing the field to start production. Today I'm in Tengiz, constructing a gathering system, a 377-kilometer pipelines facility installed in a brownfield as part of the area's future growth project, a development plan that will increase oil production by approximately 260,000 barrels a day. I also operate in the Middle East, in Iraq. Here, I deal with the maintenance of the Zubair power plant and provide general maintenance services for the West Kurna 2 field. Europe relies heavily on natural gas for its civil and industrial needs. I work on the main gas backbones, like the Trans-Adriatic pipeline, where I laid 365 kilometers of 48-inch pipeline in Greece. The Southern Gas Corridor will supply 10 billion cubic meters of gas per year. And I also work on the Ugal pipeline project in Germany, which transports gas from Nord Stream 2. My job will be to lay 292 kilometers of 56-inch pipelines that will deliver 55 billion cubic meters of Siberian gas to Europe per year. Then there's Italy, the country where I was born 70 years ago. Here at the Centro Olio Valdagri, I worked on a turnkey EPC project that will allow the field operator to produce more than 100,000 barrels of oil and 1.6 million cubic meters of gas per day. A major part of the project was the installation of a Cansolv unit, an innovative technology patented by Shell. I've been in Mexico since 2012, where I've completed some of the most important gas infrastructures in the country. Here, I built over 1,800 kilometers of pipelines and several compressor stations, all the necessary facilities to provide energy for the country's industrial growth. But you'll also find me exploring new frontiers, like Mozambique, where I've been working in partnership with a local company since 2013. We operate in the Pande Timane area, and together we are pioneering the Rovuma Basin, a region with some of the largest gas reserves in the world, capable of producing billions of cubic meters of natural gas. Here, I'm building the Pioneer Camp for ExxonMobil, an important milestone for the future LNG development project. In 2018, I embarked on another challenge in Canada. Here, I have been awarded the construction of a section of the Coastal GasLink pipeline. This infrastructure will fuel the LNG plants that will transport Canadian gas to Asia. My clients are world-leading oil companies. This is why it's crucial for me to add value to their investments. But I wouldn't be able to do this without my people's commitment. The people who think, plan, make decisions and implement solutions every day. Their ability to adapt to the different countries and social contexts allows me to operate as a local company and integrate myself into the communities where I work. My people, my clients, local communities. Together, they enable me to deliver projects for the oil and gas industry. This is who I am. I am Bonatti.